Well, you would have thought that we'd be talking about an already relegated team today, Alan, but that great win in the last game, and they've got a chance now. Just a point will keep them up.
Well, it will, and they defended really well in that last victory, and the defenders are so important here. Clean sheet, the home and hosed.
Good challenge here. And here's Bocanegra. Referee doing everything possible to keep this game flowing. Can't lose it here.
Sí.
And that will be a throw. Never quite as simple as you think to throw the ball to one of your teammates. Made the challenge well. Schweinsteiger. Ruiz. A return ball. This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play.
Segundo palo, mal.
Looking for teammates in the middle.
Mira, arquero. Un saque, güey.
It goes out wide again.
No.
Able to cut that out with some sharp movement. That attack was looking good. Now the opposition have a chance. Pereira.
Oh, his teammates will thank him for that.
Comes in strongly. He's given the free kick, but no sign of the card. Maybe he just wants to make sure he's not made a rod for his own back with an early booking.
Te da largo, Link. Me voy a poner away.
Has a go here! And the goalkeeper read the direction well. Delgado. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Then in the shot goal! And they've scored. And they've opened the scoring here.
Yo tengo delay, pero le aviso. Yo apreté antes ya.
And he's got the goal to show that.
I love that kind of finish when you don't have to blast it as long as the placement is right.
And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here. Schweinsteiger, good work really to read the intention of the pass. There's good progress with this attack. And here's the shot. Well, no scraps for the attackers to feed on from the goalkeeper that time. Hung on to the ball well. He screened the ball well there. Referee has blown and he's given the free kick. Ayala. Bertrand comes in with a tackle. Put in from the wide area. Well, he's got his fist to it.
Okay.
Schweinsteiger, good forward play from them.
Bien, Linky.
That looked very good indeed,
1-2.
but the move has broken down. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Could score! And Ibrahimovic stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Well, they could pose some danger now. Now that's a throw.
Tarda o lo va a pasar.
And they've cut it out. Now, last.
Mario, tu espalda.
And he gives it back to him. Well, it's safe to play it back to the goalkeeper. He's good with his feet.
Link.
Neatly intercepted. No. Now this looks promising. Chance to... Free kick given by the ref.
Voy a poner otra vez ahí enfrente. Guido.
Here is Ibrahimovic. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal.
Yo abajo. Creo que estoy abajo, lo. Ya estoy abajo.
Corner played into the middle. It's a bit overhit, the corner. It's gone past everybody. Ruiz. And it comes to Bocanegra. Ayala.
Ahí ya estamos.
Well, they're in a good position here.
Tú estás. Ah, bien.
Now, last. Bertrand. Tackle here.
Se le quedó otra
Got to be. Oh, that's such a classy goal. Well, this team are vulnerable, and that's just been shown in conceding the goal. So now, can they hang on? I'm not so sure.
No, well, the way that they have defended at times this season, you wouldn't be a confident man if you supported them.
That earlier incident, the big deflection.
Well, that's the life of a defender. You try and put your body in the way, but sometimes it ricochets off.
It is level. Both sides have scored here now. I think he saw the look from the other player and saw where the pass was going and read it. Bertrand. It's looking good, this move. The shot's on! Good block. The ball has gone up to indicate 3 added minutes. Pereira. Delgado. Attacking now. And in he goes with the tackle. Moving forward with some danger to the opposition now they're here. So here we are.
Bien. Más bien estamos.